For over 30 years, Focus Microwaves has been the leader in tuner technology and innovation. Engineered for performance and reliability, the CCMT series are wideband passive tuners delivering unmatched value to both test and design engineers. The CCMT 5250 high VSWR tuner was designed with 5G applications in mind, ideal for low impedance tuning and full device characterization. As markets like automotive radar and 5G wireless networks look to frequencies at 60 GHz and beyond, passive tuners remain an ideal characterization tool for these applications. The MPT is Focus Microwaves' flagship tuner, with unmatched performance, validating it as the most popular tuner on the market. Multi-purpose tuners use 3 wideband probes, allowing simultaneous, independent control at all 3 harmonic frequencies. The MPT is used for advanced applications like high power efficiency RF amplifier design. By controlling the harmonic impedances at the source and load, users can generate more robust behavior models and have better insight on how their device performs in all classes of operation. The new 20 to 110 GHz tuners are designed for broadband, non-50 ohm measurements on millimeter wave devices, using 3 independently controlled precision tuning probes. These change the impedance at any 3 user-selected harmonic frequencies from 20 to 110 GHz. Focus Microwaves' new noise measurement modules offer increased stability and ease of use. The CCMT 5010, Focus Microwaves' newest ultra-wideband coaxial tuner, performs uninterrupted noise measurements from 1 to 50 GHz. Focus Microwaves continues to be the world leader in microwave tuner technology and innovation.